Hey, welcome back to Stardust TV. I'm going to take you through a series of print on demand and Etsy and Pinterest tutorials, combining them all together to create a new print on demand business that you can start with little to no money up front. So, we're going to run through Canva to create designs today, and I'm going to show you how you can start creating super simple text-based shirts and selling them on Etsy. Follow along in the screen record. So we're inside of the Canva dashboard. I have Canva Pro, and if you want Canva Pro, use my link bit.ly/Canva stars. You can sign up through there through my link, and I'll even send you some extra couple of goodies, which would be really cool. So you can use Canva Pro with all their extra features, which come super handy. Now, this may be the only thing you actually have to buy when you're starting a print on demand service, but there are workarounds. You can use an app I actually really like, which has worked out just as well. It's called Pixar, so that's a free one. If you're just creating simple text-based shirts and stuff, that'll do just fine. But we're going to go through here and build one out using Canva. So let's begin. Let's begin by grabbing some text in the left panel. I'm just going to drag it up onto the square in the middle. I already have a catchphrase in mind. Go up to the top right, a couple tools over here. We have position, which is like a layers panel. If you've ever used Photoshop, this is very similar. You can copy the style, which copies the color, maybe even the font as well. I don't use that a lot. Transparency, which changes the opacity, good for making shadows and stuff. Then you have a link, which you can make these elements clickable inside a PDF. You can lock the layers so that they don't move, and you can also duplicate, create copies, and delete. Now I'm looking for this to have like a kind of a hippie, boho kind of vibe. I love calligraphy fonts right now, and I found a couple that I am just obsessing over. I think I'll use this one. I think it says battery. Now you're going to want to make it as big as the square we're designing inside of, because when you're printing, things are going to have to be extremely clear so that the print quality is not lost. You can arrange some elements differently to make it flow just a little better. And drag and select all of them, place them in the perfect center. And if you're going to be printing on dark shirts, you're going to want to get a lighter font. So I'm actually going to save this in white because I'm going to be pasting it onto purples, blacks, dark grays. So go in the upper right and you're going to download your file. You definitely need to save it as a ping and click transparent background, which is only available for pro users. I'm sorry out there, but if you want, you can go down to bit.ly/Canva stars and sign up. I think you get 30 days free. So if you wanted to just make a lot of designs real fast without having to pay for Canva at all, join my group Printed Profits. We do 30-day challenges every month, and I can help you come up with tons of ideas, no problem at all. So I'm just going to grab my file and download it. Now, if you wanted to tweak it by adding more, if you wanted to add more elements and such to your photo, absolutely you should. You should go into the elements panel and start looking for different illustrations, icons, cute things that'll make the shirt look more original and unique. I like to add like stars and stuff, so I'm going to drop a couple of those down. Go for shapes, use like triangles and other cute little elements. Try to go crazy, try to add like a bunch of different unique little things around your phrase. But don't make it look too cluttered. So now I've made a darker design. I'm going to put this one on lighter shirts. Now we're going to take that design you masterfully created inside your program of choice, and we're going to upload it into Printify. That is my preferred product fulfillment company. If you are interested in using Printify as well, go to bit.ly/PrintifyStart. Yes, I know, I have bit.ly links for absolutely everything. Check the description below. I'll leave that all there for you guys. So check out the next video. We'll be starting with Printify. I'll have more Canva tutorials for you guys in the future as well, so stay tuned for those series. Subscribe, like, and comment any questions you have below. See you in the next episode.